Hi guys, welcome to my new video. I just received my new DJI Mini 3 Pro and we're gonna take a look at it. So we have this little peel thing over here, which we are going to take off. So let's open it up now. When we open the box, the first thing we see is the drone. With its nice little propellers. Here we have the controller. And it's a nice new controller with the screen built in. Here you see the thumbsticks. And here we have the box with the spare items and the charging cable. Some spare propellers. A little screwdriver. Some documents. Charging cable. It's just a USB-C cable and some more documents. So here we have the controller. Let's take those little thumbsticks out and install these. The controller overall feels really nice and has some power in it. Let's set everything up. So first, let's take everything off because there's some paper here and some stickers over here. Trying to be very careful. So these are off. And there are some sticky pads in here. And at least this little paper thing. That's off as well. Let's go.